Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable check spelling on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on General. Next, swipe down and tap on Keyboard, and in here you want to go to the All Keyboards section, and then tap on check spelling switch to turn it off, or tap on the switch to turn it on. Okay, so once it is switched on, if I open up my notes application, and you can see I have some spelling mistake right here, it will be underlined in red. And if I go back into my settings and switch it off, then it shouldn't display in red. If it's still displaying in red, that means you need to wait for a few minutes for the changes to update, or you can tap on the done button, or you can close the app and then open it again. Upon open up the apps, you should see it will correct itself. So right here, maybe perhaps I will try to do some more typing. So I'm just going to double check I've switched it off. Yes, I have switched it off. Go back in here. Perhaps we need to close the app. So you need to close the app from settings in here and then open again. And so I will try to make mistakes here. And you can see it does not autocorrect. Oh, it does not show the wrong spelling. So I'm going to switch it back on. And now it shows the wrong spelling underlined in red. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.